written by E. A. Shute. Beauty is seen in the sunlight, the trees, the birds. Beauty is seen in the sunlight, the trees, the birds. Corn growing and people working, all are dancing for their harvest. Beauty is hard in the night, wind shining, rain falling, or a singer chanting. Beauty is seen in the sunlight, the trees, the birds. Anything that makes beauty is in your shapes. Good deeds, happy thoughts that repeats themselves in your brains, in your hearts, in your dreams, in your words, that even and even in your rest. Beauty is hard in the night, beauty is seen in the sunlight, the